In this lesson, we'll demonstrate the data sending and reception between industrial robots and the PLC through the TCPIP protocol. First of all, we click Details on this interface. We can see that the IP address of the robot is 192.168.101.100 and the address of the PLC is 192.168.101.13. We can see on PLC that there are only two instructions in this program, namely the instruction tsend and the trcv. Now, let's take a look at the configuration. In this configuration, the address of the PLC is still 192.168.101.13 and the address of the industrial robot is 192.168.101.100. Here, the PLC still serves as the server and the robot as the client. So, the robot here is to actively establish a connection. The port number of the robot is 2000. Okay, let's take a look at the settings on the robot side. Let's take a look at the C2 label. We can see that the IP address of the PLC is 192.168.101.13 and the remote port of the PLC is 2000. So, the data here is consistent with the PLC configuration here. Okay, next, let's run the program TCPIP. We click Enter, which shows that TCPIP has been selected. Click Shift and then click FWD. We can see the 6 displays on the tech pendant of the industrial robot, indicating that it has received 6 bytes of data sent by the PLC. Then the data EEG EEP is actually the ASC code, which converts the ASC code data into corresponding characters. Let's take a look at the data on the PLC side. Okay, we can see the data 45, 45, 47, 45 corresponding the letter E, 47 corresponding to the letters J, 45 is EEE, and then 50 corresponding to P. Let's take a look at the data receiving part on the PLC side. It keeps receiving data. Okay, let's compare this data next. The data to be sent by the Finacle robot is a string with 123AB inside. Let's take a look at the data received by the robot. The data it accepts are 31, 32, 33, 61, 62. Only these 5 pieces of data. Let's mark them out, and that's all. These 5 pieces of data. the ASC code corresponding to the data 31 is the digit 1. The ASC code for 32 is 2. The ASC code for 33 is 3. And the ASC code for 61 is the letter A. Well, the ASC code for 62 is the letter B. Therefore, the PLC has successfully received the data sent from the FANUC industrial robot now. Let's draw a conclusion. In this lesson, we first let FANUC industrial robots and host computers perform TCPIP communication, and then let the PLC and the host computer perform TCPIP communication. After the first two communications were successful, we remove the host computer. We let the PLC side serve as the server, and the FANUC industrial robot side serve as the client. Through TCP/IP communication, we also received the data sending and reception. This lesson ends here. See you.